Welcome to Steady Trading MX. I hope you could watch my last video. Let's review the trades from today. Today I took in total 15 trades. That was too much, to be honest. But well, as a trader, one has to improve themselves and improve the strategy, improve the strategy, improve the entries, the exits, and so on. So let's review it. Well, the first trade I took was this one. This setup was looking actually very good. The stochastic were also looking very good. I know here that the moving average was down sloping, but it was here a good setup. So I decided to enter short here. I entered short at 183.7 and this candle, and I was stopped out in the third candle in this red one. So this was a loser trade, around $9, I guess. So you can see here the red dotted line, and I closed the trade here. So yeah, it was a loser trade. Then let me see. Okay, then I saw this setup actually was actually good, looking good as well in the other direction, the opposite direction. The stochastic were also looking good. The moving average was trending down. So I entered here in a short position here at 182.2, and the trade get till here to the low of the previous day, and I decided to close the trade around that level. So it was a good one, a good trade, a winner one. By then I was still down, so I had to keep trading. My next trade was this setup. The stochastic was also looking good here. I entered in a long position, but I was stopped out immediately after in the red candle. Look at this. I entered here at 181.5, and I was stopped out at 181.2. So it was a loser trade. This one. Then again, I saw this setup, this doji, the stochastic were trying to get higher, so I decided to enter here a long position as well, and I was stopped out immediately after. So these two trades, there were loser ones. From my point of view, actually, I thought they were good. So yeah, it's like that. That's the business of trading. Then look at this. This setup was really good. After I saw this setup, one can see here the downtrend, and so this setup was looking actually good. This green candle break up the trend line, and the stochastic was also looking good. So I entered short here in a long, not short. I entered here in a long position at 181.1, and the price actually went through here, 181.7. But the price then began to fall again. I closed the trade here right at my stop loss, cause I saw this candle. It was a bit scary. Then I saw this one. I said, okay, maybe it's going higher, a bit higher. Then I saw this one as well, and I chose, and I thought that it could go higher again. Then maybe here I could have closed the trade earlier, like around here, I guess, 181 or so, but I didn't, because I want to respect my stop loss. As I said, this candle had broken the trend line up, so I really thought that here were a lot of buyers, but they weren't. Look at this. Okay, then I saw this setup. After this, the stochastic went a bit high, then they fall back again. They give this setup. It was good. I entered again in a long position, and I was stopped out after 4 candles, I guess. So yeah, that's trading. I was stopped out here. So then I maybe I saw it too late. I'm not sure, but I noticed that here the first one, this signal was a short one. Then this one could be a short one. So I saw this one where the price range between the two moving average. So I noticed that, and I say, okay, the price is gonna fall more. So I entered here in a short position. It was a good trade, and I was stopped out here. Look, I entered in a short position at 179.7, and I was stopped out at 179.9. So here, as you can see, it was neither way. I entered long and I was stopped out. Now I'm starting to enter short and I'm stopped out. So one has to be very focused and with a right mindset in order not to revenge trade or overtrade. So I was stopped out here. Then again I saw these setups. Look at this. This one was a short one. It was actually a good one. This one was a short one. It was a good one, but it didn't fall. The price didn't fall much. So I was stopped out here almost at break even. Then this setup, the third one, was I entered here a short and it was good, but it was a small trade, small profits. Here what profit was small. So after it, I saw this setup. I saw this setup. This candlestick again broke up the trend line. So I noticed that maybe the sentiment was changing and the price may go higher. So I entered here in a long position at 179.5. Well, and I was stopped out. Look at this. I was stopped out immediately after the second candle. And again, I entered here long and it gave another short signal. Look at this. Short signal, short signal, short signal, another short signal. So I said, I'm on the wrong direction. I have to close the trade. I was actually stopped out and I have to enter in the other direction. So I entered here short. As you can see, this blue dotted line is a very small one. I was stopped out with a trailing stop. So this was like as well a break-even trade. So not by far as what I was doing, it was a bit mind-blowing because the trade didn't work out, and on the other hand, because I was getting a bit distracted and desperate, but that's not good. So one has to regain focus and be careful with the mindset. So this short trade actually wasn't good. So then I saw this signal, another signal. This stochastic were also looking good. So what do you get? What do you think? I entered in a long position, and yeah, it worked. I entered here in a long position, and I closed the trade right there where my target is. So after this trade, I can't remember all the trades, well, how much I win or lose. But after this trade, I know that I was down around 120 bucks. So this trade was good, and it was almost for lunch. So I didn't. I waited. Sorry. The price retraced again and began to fall. I saw the setup. The stochastics were also looking good, so I entered here in a long position at 179.55, and I was stopped out. But look again, here. No, sorry, here. I mean here. So I entered here at and I was stopped out around here. So this was a loser trade. I'm gonna zoom in. This was a loser trade. This candle hit my stop loss. So I sold the position. I closed the position. I sold the shares. Then let me see, I can remember. Mm, then here I enter in a long position. I was seeing, yes, watching that the price here was consolidating. The moving average were also consolidating, therefore there should be a price expansion. So here actually with trend lines, it built a symmetric triangle and it broke up. So I entered long, which wasn't a good, not a good. I don't mean a good trade. I mean it was a loser trade, because yeah, the price broke up the symmetric triangle, but it didn't work out. It didn't work. So I was stopped out at around here. So again, after these trades, I guess I was around minus 20, no, 220 bucks. So it was, but till now it was a bad day. It was going a bad day. So then the price action continued to build, to move, and it built again another symmetric triangle, and I enter when the price broke down that triangle, and I closed the trade here. It was a winner trade. Look at this. This blue dotted line means it's a winner trade. You can see this blue dotted line, winner trade. Blue dotted line, winner trade. This was as well a winner trade. This was as well a winner trade. And maybe there are some other, this one, or it's like for break even. And so this one was actually break even, but the order filled me not what I wanted. So yeah, this was a good trade. One has to be patient. I achieved that. So this trade put me back like in minus 120 or 130 bucks. Then I waited to 1 o'clock and I began to see the price action again. Look at this. The price goes up and then down, up and down, but the price respect the 50 moving average. So then I saw this setup. This was actually like 30 minutes ago. This setup was looking good. The stochastic were also looking good. I entered here in a long position. So look at this. The price first hit the 50 moving average, then gave this red candle, then this one. So I prefer to close the trade here, because as you can see here, this signal, the price hit the 50 moving average, then it fall. It hit the 50 moving average and it fall again. It hit here and again the 50 moving average and it fall, and here again. So I thought it, as here is another example. So I thought it would be better that I close the trade if the price would cross the low of the previous candle. So I closed the trade here. So after all, I think that is my last trade. Yes, this is my last trade. I don't want to trade anymore. It was a really difficult session for me. So after this trade, right now I am down like 150 bucks. So for the week, this week I think I'm up 50 bucks only. If you remember, 2 trades I ended like 5 bucks or in 1 bucks positive. The other days 110 and 100 bucks, and today I lose like 150. So it was very difficult for me. I was struggling, but there's no excuses. I have to level up my game. But I appreciate that you are watching this with me. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like it, comment, dislike it if you don't like it, share it with your friends, follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of things on Instagram. I hope that is interesting for you as well. And we are almost ready here at the close. It's 2 o'clock 51, 9 minutes to the market close. So okay, I hope you had a nice weekend. And don't forget, tomorrow is another video coming up, a weekly chart. We are going to talk about a weekly, because we will pick another chart and talk about it tomorrow. So stay tuned. Bye bye.